Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. We are inside my 2019 Acadia Denali, and if you have one, you know that there is a sunscreen back here, but inevitably the latch usually fails. So we got this replacement one on Amazon, which is like really cool. So basically it fits right in here, and you don't have to worry about drilling out these rivet holes. Only thing you have to do is basically line this up. So this is the bottom part of the latch, and you need a hinge set, drill bits. And the reason why is it does come with two self-tapping screws, but you want to make sure you kind of line this hole up nice and straight, so if this piece does break again, you have good pilot holes to work from. So basically how this works is it's going to center itself on that hole. So we just basically kind of put it here, stabilize it. And just give it a quick pilot hole drill. And just to kind of get things started there. Put on our Phillips head bit and get the first self-tapping bolt. We just hold that. Tapped itself in. Let's get this other one. Okay, make sure that we're lined up good. Let's try this latch out, and nice and fixed. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. That was a pretty simple fix. Be safe out there.